Got this to clean our cat trees, and I really like it. It still doesn't look great, but what are you eating the hair for?
So I accidentally just sat on Steven. I can't imagine how that happened. Steven, how did I accidentally sit on you?
What was that?
Oh, blast!
He was so excited to show me. That's so impressive, Norm.
You're joking. You're joking. Are you kidding? He's escaping! The killer is escaping! Help me!
Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please. Feel free.
Pissing all by yourself, handsome?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hello, Mr.
If you're not cheating on your girlfriend, do not look in the camera. Do not look. Well, okay. Okay.
Hey, yo, Rocky, what that booty do? That's what that booty does.
It's like having real kids. Nice.
Me casually trying to make a skate video. My dog pisses on my phone.
Oh!
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
Alisat.
Try it again. Show mama.
what's wrong with you that you are so intimidated by this? This is the face of your bully.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
What you about to do? Please? Not me, nigga!
You're coming home with me.
That's a big old kiss. Hey, let me feed that cat.
To the girl who suggested we play baby sensory videos for our cats, thank you.
People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
That would be fun. You should. That would be so fun. She would like it.
What are you talking about?
Noodle, are you a cat? You are? Okay.
Diamond love that chicken from Popeyes.
This is what the kids ask for every single morning.
What do you got there? Is that a sword? You got a sword? Are you gonna f shit up? Oh, you got me! You got me!
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
I really don't give a f. I really don't.
Exactly.
I'm not.
Where's the serotonin, you bitch?
Bark at your dog.
Woof! Bark!
It's a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
Oh! Yeah! Good night! Oh!
I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
Why do cats make it the biggest deal in the world to, like, show their toes? Show me your toe. Show me your toe. What's the big deal? What are you hiding in there? Show it to me. Show it to me. Was that so hard? Well, why is it? Why are you such a little?
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
Holy smokes, dude. My cut is insane. Shout out to my barber.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
William!
Yeah, Steven right here. Oh. Hey, Steven, what about me? Come on. I want to win. Oh, Steven! You forget about old Papa Bear over here? Come on, set it down. Set it downtown. I can get it. Come on, don't you worry about that. Come on, just send it on here.
You are being a brat. A brat. Yeah. Yeah. Brat. Yeah. Yeah, hey, that's leather.
Them self-defense classes working.
Fuck, we in a movie. God, get your ass to sleep.
Keep my wife's name out your mom! Mom!
Bless you. Oh shit. Come here, Jada. Come here. Come here. Jada, come here.
Don't be on the floor. Use that come up.
Yeah, yes.
Ow, that one hurt. But I've never been skinny, so I don't know. You've been skinny, you know. You're skinny now.
Well, when I was skinny, I didn't appreciate it because I was
Right,
born
right.
skinny, became fat.
Oh, I was born fat.
Born fat,
12
stay
pounds.
fat.
Yeah.
You were a 12-pound baby?
Yeah, I was a 12-pound baby. Hmm.
You were born fat.
I was always fat. Just a fat fatty.
Jermaine! Jermaine! How come the whole time I was at work, right? I was waiting on the text back from you and I thought you didn't text me back. But the whole time I just didn't send it. I thought you was cheating, honestly. I don't know. Let me smell this bit. Jermaine. Jermaine. If I gotta call you one more time. I'm up. Are you cheating on me? No, what the hell? Okay. Go back to bed. What the
Hey, what did I do? No. Ooh, ow.
Build it.
Loaf check. Pause. Tucked. How we looking back here? Tail, where is it? Oh, you don't have one.
Your brother punched you because you bit him in the neck. That's not nice. You kind of deserved it.
Cucumber. Oh, sorry, Bubba.
$30, $31, $32, $33, $34, $35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40, $41, $42, $43, $44, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $50, get back. Oh no, I forgot count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb
He hasn't been decontaminated yet. Jacques! Oui. Clean in. Oui. Ocean!
Ouh, la mer. Bon. Voilà, he is clean.
I had you looking in the wrong section. How could I be so stupid? I checked this out weeks ago for a bit of light reading.